Welcome to Etalle, in the south of Belgium, more precisely the Gorme region. This wooded area creates a perfect protection for important sources of natural mineral water and spring waters. Those sources were discovered back in Roman times. The Romans used Etalle as a stopover and utilized the sources to refuel on their way from Trier to Rennes. We, Nestlé, have been using these same sources for Valvert and Nestlé Pure Life since 1992. These sources, plus the sources from the village, are covered by 3.5 hectares of deciduous trees and fields. 3.5 hectares roughly equates to 7,000 football pitches. Let's see what goes on beneath the surface. Rainwater starts a journey lasting up to 20 years through 3 different soil layers. Those layers naturally filter the water, making it safe for everyone to drink, including babies. Together with local authorities who also use these sources, we ensure that more water is added by rainfall than is lost through evaporation, drainage and bottling, to guarantee that future generations will still benefit from these sources. Over the past 10 years, we have added an average positive water balance of more than 4 million cubic meters of water. Above ground activities also influence the quality of the water. That is why we started the AgriVert project, a collaboration with farmers local to our factory who farm organically, thereby protecting the water sources and forests for the local residents.
Ici, on s'est engagé spontanément, donc à protéger les captages. Au niveau des phytos, donc c'est zéro phyto. La seule chose qu'on a, c'est la fierté quand même de protéger la nappe et à long terme, de protéger les ressources aussi également.
In our factory, the natural mineral water flows straight from the source into the bottles. No treatment, 100% natural, and those bottles are made from recycled plastics and completely recyclable materials. Thanks to all these efforts by both humans and nature, our consumers can enjoy water that is safe, water that cares about nature, and, thanks to its underground journey, water with a balanced taste and low mineralization. Water from unique Belgian soil.